Living with an autoimmune disease or chronic pain is not just a physical journey. It's one that challenges us socially, psychologically, and professionally. In my previous post, I mentioned that I worked for a master of a boss who was helping and getting me fired because I was always off sick, or according to him, always off sick. Really? Like any of us asked to be sick. I luckily live in a democratic country with a plethora of labor acts that protect employees from employers with the same mentality. The paramount one being the Labor Act, Act 11 of 2007, which I'm going to be touching on in this video. It has clear guidelines against discrimination in Section 5 and against unfair termination of contract in both Sections 33 and 34. Having an autoimmune disease or chronic pain, the worst case scenario, other than you becoming unalive due to complications brought by the disease, is that you become partially disabled like myself, or you become completely disabled. Your employer by law has to have policies and procedures in place to assist you and to guide you through this process. Therefore, for your employer to terminate your contract because you're always off sick, while you provide them with credible medical certificates and medical reports, or to terminate your employment because of disability without due process, is not only morally wrong, according to prescribed law, it's illegal. The law does not allow for employers to dismiss employees simply because they're always off sick or because they're disabled without investigating accommodations such as flexible working hours, lighter workloads, and without due process. It is important to know your rights. Equip yourself with the knowledge of the Labor Act, especially Sections 5, 33, and 34. Read up on your company's policies and procedures, especially regarding termination. Guys, this is not a conspiracy theory. I went through it. It gets really, really bad. Document everything. Medical certificates, written communications, requests for accommodations, where there was unfair discrimination or treatment towards you, performance appraisals. Document everything. Invoke internal grievances or dispute procedures. Guys, when I tell you I had it bad, I had it horrible. The amount of times me and this master of a boss went to HR was ridiculous. But I'd be damned if I let someone get me fired because of their personal feelings towards me and my illnesses. An illness I didn't even ask for. I mean, who of us asked to become sick? If internal measures fail, you have the right to seek external measures, such as the Labor Commissioner and the Legal Assistance Center. Isn't it just nice to know the law's on your side? Yes, you may assert your rights. And yes, you may speak out when treated unfairly. And by you speaking out, you might just be the change your workplace needs to become a safe space and a working environment for others with similar afflictions as yourself. So, I hope this video helps you as much as I know it would have helped me with what I was going through at the time being with the employer that I mentioned in the video. So please click like, click share, and do comment and let me know if there's another topic that you'd like me to discuss as an autoimmune and chronic pain warrior living in Namibia.